Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable plugins in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the tools icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. Should be three dots all stacked one on top of the other. And then you want to go down and select settings. And now on the left side, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath where it says privacy and security. And you want to select the site settings option. Just go ahead and left click on that. And now scroll down underneath content, and you can locate different plugins as well as additional content settings as well. So for example, if you want to disable the JavaScript plugin, you can just select the JavaScript entry in here. And then you can select don't allow sites to use JavaScript, for example. You can allow certain exceptions to these rules by customizing the behavior down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.